Meow. I'm like a chee-chee-chee-rooney, like they make at home, or a healthy fish with a big backbone. I'm Abraham DeLacy, Giuseppe Casey, Thomas O'Malley, O'Malley the alley cat. I've got that wanderlust, gotta walk the scene, gotta kick up highway dust, feel the grass that's green, gotta strut them city streets, showing off my eclat, yeah, telling my friends of the social elite or some cute cat I happen to meet that I'm Abraham Lacey, Giuseppe Casey, Thomas O'Malley, Malley the alley cat. I'm king of the highway, prince of the boulevard, duke of the avant-garde. The world is my backyard. So if you're going my way, that's the road you wanna see. Calcutta to Rome, or home sweet home, or Paris, magnifique you all. Yeah, I only got myself this big old world, but sip that cup of life with my fingers curled. I don't worry what road to take, I don't have to think of that. Whatever road I take is the road I make. It's the road of life, make no mistake for me, yeah. Abraham Lacey, Giuseppe Casey, Thomas O'Malley, Malley the alley cat. That's right, and